Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we're going to do these tall faux candles using mostly items from the Dollar Tree and some from Lowe's. So if you want to see how I created these beautiful Christmas candles, then just continue to watch. For this DIY, you're going to need one Dollar Tree ornament. You're going to need one of these tubings. It's the tubings that you use in the lights, like the long lights in the ceiling. You'll need one long towel, some ribbon, some glitter, some hairspray, lights, preferably battery operated lights, red paint, some Mod Podge or some Fix All spray, and hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. And you're gonna need something to actually weigh the little thing, the candle down. You're gonna need some strong adhesive, and you're gonna need your hot knife. So I'll begin the project by painting the tile red. I would really love for you to become a part of the Design on a Dollar family. And you could do that by hitting the red subscribe button and then hitting the notification bell so you'll never miss one of our uploads. I also would like for you to give this video a big thumbs up and share. Okay guys, I'm going to give it 2 or 3 coats of the paint. And guys, I'm using Tony's paints from Your House at Home. It has a metallic finish and I love the sheen to it. I love her paints. So if you haven't got your own, you go to Amazon and type in Your House at Home and her page will come up and you'll be able to purchase your paint from her. And then I'm going to use the hot knife to put a hole in the bottom of that light fixture thing so my lights can pass through. So while all the paint is drying on the stand now and the bulb, I am going to Mod Podge the tubing, and I'm going to use some iridescent glitter on it to make it appear to be sort of like a shimmery candle. And after I do that, guys, I'm going to start assembling the candle. I'm going to start by securing the base on the clear tubing to the base, which is the tile, and then I am going to put the lights in, and also I am going to put some folk box candle melting wax on the tubing. And after we do that, guys, I'm just going to finish decorating everything. So after I have the tubing with the glitter on it, I am going to take my hot knife and I'm going to burn a hole in the bottom of that ornament so my lights can pass through it. And then I'm going to secure this opportunity to hit the like button and then click the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from us. And guys, I would truly love for you to join the Design on the Dollars family just hit that subscribe button and you instantly become a part of a family that does not judge. So if you want to be a part of a family, then just hit that subscribe button. So guys, as you can see, I'm taking the lights, the fairy lights, and I'm stringing it through that hole that I made in the tubing. And once I get it all the way through the tube and through the bulb, I'm going to secure the battery pack down at the bottom on the base of the candle now. And I'm going to put it so that I can turn the candle off and on, and I can change the batteries. So here I'm just going to start by putting the bulb, the lights inside the bulb. And once I do that, I'm going to secure the top. I'm going to put my bow on. I'm going to put the fake drippings wax around it. And guys, then I'm going to come back to you guys and show you guys the finished product. So just sit back, relax, and finish watching the video, and I will see you guys in another video. Love you guys. Bye. I really would like for you to do me this big favor. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old, and I really want to have 50,000 subscribers on my 50th birthday. So if you can, share this video with at least 5 people. And if you know someone that does not have a YouTube channel yet, sign them up so they can and get them to become a part of our YT family. I would love to reach 50,000 on my 50th birthday. So that's what I want for my birthday present, guys. So please go ahead, share it with 5 people. Ask those 5 people to become a part of our family so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers. And at this Christmas holiday season, sharing in the gift of Christ, remember, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly mean it.